Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Tara Ekutan and this is Kenya Trends. Okay, so guys, today nitakuwa na unboxing video. I've always wanted kununua a tripod stand and leo finally, after a long time, tiresome journey without a tripod stand, I finally managed to afford it. So I bought it on Jumia after a long struggle bila nikitumia window and balancing. Now tumeomoka guys, tumeomoka. So I bought my and we are going to unbox with you so that we together can see it, because I've never bought anything online. Mi naogopanga, I'm one of those people who unaogopa kununua vitu online sana, because naonanga zile za before and after, my expectation versus reality. So it's just a risk I took for the first time, and I'm praying wasinifanye nisirudi online tena, because guys, don't mess up with me. Mess na mimi. I hope they don't mess up with me, because nitakasirika sana. Okay, so this is it. Obviously Jumia is the best online wherever, so I thought I should try it with Jumia, not anywhere, not risking. I don't like playing with my money, yeah, so I didn't want to risk it, so I just used Jumia. So tunafungua hii karatasi, we see what's going on, right? Let's see what's going on here. Kuna any formula for karatasi ama naribu? Let's just share it. We don't need it anymore. Okay, so here it is. Here it is. And hakuna anything else. Empty. Here is the package. Okay, so inafunguaje? Okay. Oh my god, this karatasi is big. Okay, finally to get the box. Oh, simple, nothing really special about it. A box. Nimechora. Okay, so tunafungua. Tunafungua. Nimefungua mara mingi. I hope I don't fall. Hiya. What is this? I hope see a camera again. What is this, guys? Simniambie. Kama unafinya ndio. I don't know what it is. Then there is this phone holder. And finally, the tripod stand. Tiny for PV. Oh my god. Ama inarefuka? Oh, yeah. I'm so stupid, guys. Fast. This is na inakaa light. Oh my god. Itawezana na simu yangu. Okay, let me just put it down. Let me open it and then I put it down and see, like, okay. Inakaa light. What? It's your phone. Okay, so tunafungaje? Lock. Okay, msaidi na simu yako nijaribia. Hey, sasa hii kitu yenyewe iko hata haijakuja na manual. Imekuja na manual. Sasa mtu anafanya nini? Shamba. Hey guys, what? Okay, so what do I do? I'm so confused. Okay. And then clear light. Let's just try and put it here. And then hapa ni nini inafanyika? Hebu angalia kwa box kama kuna kitu imeandikwa. I don't know how to deal with all this. Hapo unafungua hivi. Hapa. na something kufungua. Hii. Wapi kitu nimekupea? Tuone. Oh, ndio hiyo. Something is opening here. Okay, say name. Oh my god. Ake mimi naona nikivunja hapa vitu. Ebu. Hii. So hapa ni nyingine. Kuna kitu kingine kufunguliwa. Ebu angalia kwa box kama kuna instructions. Imesimama, yes, imesimama. Sijakataa, imesimama. Lakini sasa inakataa ku connect, sijui hata nini inafanyika hapa. Oh, guess what, guys? I'm live. I'm using my TD. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh my god. Looks great. Can move. I'm not even touching my phone. It's quite round, but inakaa delicate. Inakaa nikaa tu ukisongesha hivi kidogo inaweza vunjika. But I am loving it. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye.